The art of gliding. Not quite flying, but close enough. The animal kingdom is full of surprises. Animals have evolved remarkable ways to move through their environments. Some creatures crawl, some swim, and some, astonishingly, take to the air. While true flight is limited to a select group, gliding offers a fascinating alternative. Gliding, unlike powered flight, doesn't involve flapping wings. Instead, it relies on aerodynamic forces to generate lift and controlled descent. Think of it as controlled falling with style. Gliding animals, including certain species of snakes, fish, and squirrels, have captivated scientists and nature enthusiasts for centuries. These animals have evolved specialized adaptations that allow them to defy gravity for brief periods. They transform themselves into living, breathing gliders, navigating the air with remarkable skill and agility. Flying snakes, slithering through the air. Snakes are not usually associated with flight, but the rainforests of Southeast Asia are home to a group of serpents that challenge this notion. These are the flying snakes, members of the genus. These remarkable reptiles don't sprout wings or magically levitate. Instead, they transform their bodies into flattened, aerodynamic shapes. To achieve flight, a flying snake will climb to a high branch and launch itself into the air. It flattens its body by spreading its ribs, creating a concave surface that resembles a parachute. While gliding, the snake doesn't merely plummet, it undulates its body in a series of S-shaped waves. These movements help stabilize the glide and allow for slight changes in direction. Flying fish, taking to the skies, one fin at a time. Imagine seeing a fish launch itself out of the water and soar through the air. That's precisely what flying fish do. These aquatic acrobats are found in oceans around the world, and their ability to glide above the waves is a sight to behold. Flying fish don't have wings in the traditional sense. Instead, they possess unusually large pectoral fins that act as airfoils. To initiate a glide, a flying fish will swim towards the surface at high speed, its body angled upwards. As it breaks the surface, it spreads its pectoral fins wide, catching the wind and lifting it into the air. The fish's powerful tail continues to beat even in the air, providing additional thrust and extending the glide. Flying squirrels, graceful gliders of the forest canopy. In the forests of North America, Europe, and Asia, a group of nocturnal mammals glides effortlessly through the trees. These are the flying squirrels, and their name perfectly describes their remarkable ability. Flying squirrels don't possess true wings. Instead, they have a special adaptation called a patagium. The patagium is a furry membrane that stretches between their front and hind limbs. When a flying squirrel wants to glide, it launches itself from a tree, extending its limbs and spreading its patagium. This creates a large surface area that catches the air, generating lift. The squirrel's tail, which is also flattened, acts as a rudder, allowing it to steer and control its descent. Section 5. True flyers versus gliders. A tale of two techniques. The world of animal flight is divided into two categories: true flyers and gliders. True flyers, such as birds, bats, and insects, have wings that generate both lift and thrust, allowing them to sustain powered flight. Gliders, on the other hand, rely on gravity and aerodynamic forces to stay aloft. They cannot generate thrust during a glide, so their flights are ultimately controlled descents. While gliders might seem limited compared to their powered counterparts, their gliding adaptations are incredibly effective. Gliding allows these animals to cover remarkable distances, escape predators, and access resources that would be otherwise out of reach. Section 6. The evolutionary advantage. Why gliding matters. The ability to glide has evolved independently in several animal lineages, suggesting that it offers significant evolutionary advantages. For flying snakes, gliding provides a quick and efficient way to move through the trees, avoiding predators and accessing prey. Flying fish use their gliding ability to escape underwater predators, leaping into the air and out of harm's way. For flying squirrels, gliding is an essential part of their nocturnal lifestyle. It allows them to move quickly and quietly through the forest canopy, foraging for food and avoiding predators such as owls and hawks. In all cases, gliding offers a unique and effective way to navigate the environment, demonstrating the power of natural selection to shape remarkable adaptations. Section 7. Gliding Mechanics. A closer look at the science. The physics of gliding might seem complex, but the basic principles are relatively straightforward. When a glider launches itself into the air, it has a certain amount of potential energy due to its height above the ground. As the glider descends, this potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, or the energy of motion. The shape of the glider's body, particularly its wings or gliding membrane, interacts with the air to generate lift. Lift is an upward force that counteracts the downward force of gravity. The glider's angle of descent and the shape of its wings determine the amount of lift generated. Section 8. Nature's ingenuity. Celebrating the diversity of flight. The world of gliding animals is a testament to the incredible diversity and ingenuity of nature. From snakes that flatten their bodies to fish with wing-like fins and squirrels with specialized membranes, these animals have evolved unique and effective ways to navigate their environments. Studying these animals provides valuable insights into the principles of aerodynamics and the evolution of flight. Their adaptations highlight the power of natural selection to shape remarkable solutions to the challenges of survival and reproduction. Gliding might not be as fast or as glamorous as powered flight, but it is an incredibly effective mode of locomotion that has allowed these animals to thrive in diverse habitats around the world. Section 9. Beyond gliding. The future of animal flight research. The study of gliding animals continues to fascinate and inspire scientists. Researchers are using cutting-edge technology, such as high-speed cameras and wind tunnels, to unravel the secrets of animal gliding. These studies are not only shedding light on the biomechanics of gliding, but also inspiring new designs for flying robots and other bio-inspired technologies. As we continue to explore the world around us, we can be sure that nature will continue to surprise us with its ingenuity and elegance. The study of gliding animals is a reminder that there is still much to learn from the natural world, and that the most remarkable discoveries are often hidden in plain sight. Have a beautiful day. All you science enthusiasts, don't fly away too far, so you can glide into the next science video of the day. Stay awesome, my friends.